I'll call you right back. I gotta do something. These cars are so hard to get out of. But really quick, guys, let me teach you something a little bit about your credit repair business that I bet you've never known. Doing all those fulfillment letters, doing all those disputes, all that stuff, dude, that's just a headache. Alright, guys, you shouldn't be doing that. Matter of fact, I have a way better way of handling all the dispute letters. Matter of fact, handling all the fulfillment of your credit repair business. So that you don't have that headache, so you don't have the extra work, and I guarantee you, using this method will actually have you making more money than you handling the fulfillment yourself. Click the link down below if you're interested in learning more. In addition to that, what we have in place is a powerful CRM that as soon as somebody goes to a real estate office and they find out that they can't get approved for their house and because of the bad credit, or as soon as somebody goes to a car dealership and they find out that they can't get approved for their dream car because they have bad credit, that person's instantly sent to us, and I want to send that person directly to you in the form of a pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointment. So guys, if you're interested in getting clients on demand, if you're interested in handling the fulfillment all for you, if you're interested in just having a little more predictability in your credit repair business, pretty much I'm offering you a credit repair business in a box. If you're interested in that, and by the way, support team, all the support team, we have texts just for that. So if a client has some questions about the credit repair process, if somebody's in your system and they just don't understand something, you can take that phone call, like they're calling you like, hey, I have some questions. All right, let me just put my other buddy on the phone. You call up the team, you call up the customer support, and you link the calls, and they answer all the questions for you. So pretty much what I'm trying to say, it's a complete turnkey credit repair business in a box, completely white label approved right there. If you're interested in all this, client acquisition, instant customer support, if you're interested in credit repair clients on demand, if you're interested in the fulfillment, handled all for you, turnkey, white labeled system, click the link down below and I'll be more than happy to explain exactly how I do this and even implement this into your business. Thank you guys for watching. Click the link down below because guys, this is a chance of a lifetime. Click down below, schedule a call with me. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.